Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ram 2500 diesel fuel filter. First, gather your essential tools like a drain pan, a new filter set, and a 10mm wrench. Make sure your truck is on a level surface and the engine is completely cool. You'll be working with fuel, so safety is key. We'll be replacing both the engine-mounted and frame-mounted filters for a complete service. Now let's get started. Begin by placing your drain pan directly under the frame-mounted fuel filter. Open the drain valve to allow the fuel to empty completely. Once drained, use a suitable filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove both the frame and engine filters. Be sure to disconnect any electrical connectors or fuel lines attached to the filter housings before removal, taking care not to spill excess fuel. With the old filters removed, it's time for the new ones. First, lubricate the new O-rings with some clean diesel fuel to ensure a proper seal. Install the new frame-mounted filter, tightening it by hand until it's snug, then give it an additional quarter to half turn. Next, attach the new engine-mounted filter, ensuring all electrical connectors and fuel lines are reconnected firmly. Double-check all connections for tightness. After installing the new filters, you'll need to prime the fuel system. Turn your ignition to the on position for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times to allow the fuel pump to cycle and remove air from the lines. Finally, start the engine and carefully inspect both filter areas for any signs of fuel leaks. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your freshly filtered fuel system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.